Parlez-vous français? Vous, qu'est-ce que tu veux? I was allergic to dogs, trees, and grass. Hey y'all, it's your girl Faye back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me while I tell you a few facts about myself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And drop a comment if any of these facts resonate with you or a fact of your own so we can build a little bit of community that we got going on here. It is small, is mighty. My full name is fehinti Simi Akinranye, but most people just call me Faye or fehinti. I was born in Lagos, Nigeria, and moved to the States when I was 1 year old. I am a Yoruba babe. I am 26 years old and live in Atlanta, Georgia. My birthday is June 29, 1997, which means I am a Cancer, even though I don't believe in star signs. So I know y'all love that. I graduated from the University of Georgia, go Dogs, with a civil engineering major and a Spanish minor. Puedo hablar solo en español, pero no sé mucho Yoruba. Pero no es mi culpa. I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers, Toby and Timmy, and 1 sister, Katan, who may look familiar to some of y'all. I am the youngest, so it goes boy, girl, boy, me. I did Accutane 2 years ago, and it was the best decision I ever made. I want to make a separate video talking about all the things that I had to deal with Accutane, everything you need to know. So let me know if you guys are interested in that because it changed my life. I went from this to clear face. Y'all saw me in the beginning of this video. That is a transformation. I forgot to tell y'all in the beginning, but I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine right now. But I really want to do my soft glam look for you. So just let me know if you guys want that. All my friends know that, but my brother and I went to boarding school in Nigeria for a year, and no, we were not sent back because we were bad. In high school, I played volleyball, basketball, and track. And honestly, I don't know how I made the JV team because I was so bad, but hey, I could dribble the ball. And track was even worse because I quit the team after 3 days after I threw up after conditioning because that was too much. I have played volleyball for over 10 years now, and I'm actually in a volleyball league, which we play weekly. And I've now picked up tennis, which is a new obsession. I am a Christian. I'm also one of the most competitive people in the world. If there's a game to be played, I want to win it. My sister and I always have like a million game nights because we just love playing games. It's just so much fun. Like, I feel like there's so many things you can do that can kind of test your competitive nature. Like, there's escape rooms, there's game nights, there's like arcades, like there's so many fun things to do. And like, I love it all. I am currently single. I feel like dating in Atlanta is a whole different sport. I have a million stories. My friends are always telling me I have to do more story times because you would be surprised at the audacity of some of these people here, honestly. My favorite genre of music is Afrobeats. Some of my favorite artists are Ashake, Omale, Arya Star, Adekunle Gold. The list goes on. I hate coconuts and anything coconut flavored, pina coladas, coconut rice, coconut water, which is weird because I actually like bounty. I can't explain it. I am both an extrovert and an introvert, so I guess that's called an ambivert. So as much as I love going out and being with friends and traveling and doing all those things, I need to recharge and kind of like have my alone time, unless I will go crazy. My sister does not believe me whenever I say that. She thinks I'm a full extrovert because she is an ambivert, but I tell her that it can look like different things. Like, I feel like we both can be ambiverts, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I am an extrovert and I'm just being delusional, but I feel like I just love being at home, just not always being around people. Like, I just can't do it. I can't do it. After college, I didn't go into civil engineering. I actually work at a tech consulting company, mainly because I love to travel and I wanted something a bit more exciting with new projects every year. I have a goal of traveling to 30 countries before I'm 30, and I'm currently at 23. I was a lash tech for about a week and I had to quit because it took me 4 hours to do people's full sets, and that was just too long for me. I know it's a journey, but I wasn't willing to take that journey. I used to have really bad seasonal allergies. It kind of got better after I went to an allergist and did an allergy test because they told me I was allergic to dogs, trees, and grass. And I always was outside and I had many dogs growing up. So that kind of fixed a lot of my symptoms. So if you have really bad allergies, I would recommend you getting an allergy test done or blood work to kind of figure out your body and what things react with what, because it honestly changed my life. Some of my favorite shows are Game of Thrones, Gossip Girl, Breaking Bad, and of course K-dramas. I'm obsessed. I'm also a serial binge watcher, so I rewatch like shows that I'm obsessed with already because I already know I love it and it's just so fun. Like The Office, One Tree Hill, like those are just as good as the first time I watched it. I have 0 tattoos, but I would love to have like a friendship tattoo or like a sibling one, but I'm trying to convince my brothers and they are not having it. I forgot to mention this earlier, but when I first moved to the States, I actually was put in a French immersion school, which basically you speak only French. So I was fluent in French when I was like 3 or 4, but I lost that. I actually know 0 French. So it goes to show that if you don't practice the language, you'll lose it. And I lost French. Like, how cool would it be if I was a French speaker? Like, parlez-vous français? Vous, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Like, it could roll off my tongue right now. It doesn't. I am trying to be more consistent on YouTube, so expect 1 to 2 videos a week from me, y'all. I'm so nervous to just say that, but try to keep me accountable because I can do it, and this year is the year of consistency. All right, yes, say it with me, y'all. Consistency. And that's, oof, oof. I just completely skipped a step. I forgot to rub off the powder. So let's fix that before it sets too much. I'm gonna put on my lip combo. I can't remember to mention this earlier, but I actually spent half my life in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That's where I grew up. And then I moved to Atlanta in high school. This lip combo, wow. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you guys learned something new about me. And if you guys have any more questions, please leave them down below and I can make a part 2. And don't forget to leave your own fact about yourself so I can learn a bit about you guys and build some more of this community that I've been talking so much about. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which fact was your favorite. Catch me on my next video. Bye.